In this video, I'll uncover some of the top fake foods that you may be eating every day. It should come as no surprise that many major companies out there are removing high quality ingredients and replacing them with very low quality ingredients in order to increase profits. In fact, many of the foods that you may be eating on a daily basis are not as you think they are. Many of the foods are just some low quality ingredient with a different label on it. And so that's what I'm going to teach you in this video, is the different fake foods that you may be eating every single day that is going to destroy your health. But before we get started, I'm Dr. Zarowski and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and also be sure to join our notification community. That way it can help you excel your health and your life. Let's go ahead and dive into our first fake food. First on the list is maple syrup. This is a big one out there. Many people are going to restaurants, they're getting maple syrup from their local grocery store and finding out that, in fact, it's not maple syrup at all. What's the problem here? Well, most of it is made from high fructose corn syrup. As a matter of fact, I even have a label here that gives you an example. What we see in this label right here is that first of all, first ingredient is going to be corn syrup, then high fructose corn syrup, and then the list goes on. But where's the real maple syrup? It really is non-existent. So we have to make sure that we're avoiding products like this, and we're always making sure that we read labels. Let's go to our next fake food here. This one is creamer. This one really surprised me. You know, when you go to your local coffee shops, when you go to your favorite restaurants, there's a good chance that they're actually using fake creamer. What is fake creamer going to be made of? Well, essentially it's going to be made of a whole bunch of hydrogenated oils and vegetable oils. So instead of getting real cream, you're actually getting oils that are just naturally flavored to taste like cream. And so here's an example. We see water, sugar, vegetable oil. So lots of different ingredients in there, but where's the cream in it? And that's, well, it's not there. And so we have to make sure that when we're buying these different creamers, we're actually getting really good quality ones, because some of them are even cream cut with vegetable oil. So we have to be careful, whereas others are just straight vegetable oil. So watch out for that and make sure you're getting the real stuff. Next is cheese. This is a big one because a lot of people who are intentionally trying to follow a healthy diet are going and buying this particular fake food. What are you going to find here? Well, first of all, when we look at grated cheeses, this is one of the major problems, is that it has a whole bunch of additives in it. Here's an example. This Parmesan cheese is loaded with cellulose powder. That cellulose powder is typically wood pulp. Now the question is how much, right? It's the second ingredient on there. How much of that is wood pulp? How much of that is actual Parmesan cheese? It's a good question because they don't say. Now the next is spreadable cheeses and also canned cheeses. We have to really watch out for this. Typically they're loaded with all types of vegetable oils. They're also loaded with high fructose corn syrup in many cases as well. That's why you are able to take a cheese and spread it, because it has all these different ingredients in it. So watch out for that stuff. Typically, if it's a cheese that's spreadable, or if it is a cheese in a can, it is something that you want to stay away from. So be sure that you're not getting low quality cheeses. Next here is olive oil. Olive oil is so healthy. I mean, it's a powerful antioxidant. It helps with weight loss. There's so many benefits to olive oil. It's even an anti-inflammatory. But the thing is, if you're getting the low quality stuff, then you actually could be doing all the opposite, actually driving inflammation in the body. What's the problem with a lot of olive oil? The problem is that it's loaded with soybean oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil. So all these different oils, but yet it may be labeled with olive oil and just have, you know, a certain percentage of it olive oil with a whole bunch of other oils in it. So be careful next time you go to the store and you grab that bottle of olive oil. Be sure to check the ingredient list and make sure that you're not getting all these other oils combined with it. You just want good quality olive oil. Next on our list is honey. This is also a major food that many people buy, and it's super low quality. As a matter of fact, I was actually trying to find a label that I could use to show that much of the honey out there is low quality, and all the ingredients said I had to call for the full ingredient list. So it was, you know, very deceptive basically, because they weren't listing the ingredients on the bottle. They said call for more information. And so I had a hard time finding this one, but basically there's statistics out there that says that 75% of honey in your typical grocery store is going to be watered down and cut with high fructose corn syrup. So you're getting honey, lots of water, lots of high fructose corn syrup, and it's labeled as honey. So watch out, make sure that you're getting good quality honey, because, you know, just like some of these other foods, honey is a really, really nutrient dense food that's very good for us in a lot of ways. But if you're getting high fructose corn syrup that's flavored like honey, it's not going to be good at all. Next is whipped cream. This is something that a lot of people, of course, are unaware of as well. You know, a lot of the whipped cream out there, people are getting it on their coffees, they're getting it on their favorite dessert. And even if they're making a healthy dessert, they're putting whipped cream on it because they're well-intentioned and they got the stuff without sugar and they thought they were doing the right thing. But most whipped cream is made of corn syrup, thickening agents, and natural flavorings. And so even if it's sugar-free, there's still a lot of the whipped cream that is not coming from cream in any shape or form. So we have to really make sure that we're getting the good quality stuff if we're going to buy some sort of whipped cream for our favorite ketogenic dessert. Next and last on our list here is going to be white bread. Now, everybody's eating bread every single day for the most part, and a lot of people are eating white bread that is really terrible for you. And so when it comes to bread, a lot of people love it. And as a matter of fact, I did a video on this topic, and you can go check that out right up here. I'll put it up in the corner because it has all the different types of breads and which one is the healthiest to eat. And so you'll really like that video. But here's the problem with white bread. They remove the germ, they remove the bran, that's all removed. So basically they remove all the nutrition from it. Then they go in and they bleach it, and then they add synthetic vitamins back in. So eventually, at the end of this whole thing, you're basically getting a carbohydrate, a simple carbohydrate, sugar. So we have to make sure that we're avoiding white bread at all costs. Like I said, a lot of people are eating this every single day. Their favorite restaurants serve it to them as soon as they sit down. Their favorite fast food restaurants, all is loaded, everything's white bread, right? And so we have to avoid this. And we have to avoid all these other fake foods as well. Be sure to make sure that you're always going and reading ingredient labels because like I said at the beginning of this video, there's companies out there that will go and replace all these ingredients in order to make a higher profit and make the food taste the same. There's different companies that you could actually send your particular food product to, and they will teach you how to remove all the real ingredients and put in the fake ones and keep the taste the same, and that happens again and again in today's food industry. So we have to really watch out for that. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, put it in the comments section below. Also, if you want to learn more about exercise, nutrition, reversing health conditions, proper supplementation, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you are aware of all the new video and content that comes out. And then lastly, check out my other videos on how you can improve your health. I'll see you in the next video.